When Kevin Plank purchased Towson Watch Company back in 2016, Hartwig, Balke, and George Thomas, our co-founders, were elated. The acquisition provided a new foundation and infrastructure for Towson Watch Company to be taken to the next level. The brand could now work with a wide network of local Baltimorean artists to help bring more of the watchmaking process back in-house to Baltimore. And the acquisition meant that more eyes would be familiar with the brand, a wider social media team, website developers. It was really a dream come true for our founders.
We bought old high-end pocket watch movements and converted them and put them and made wristwatches out of it. And so George took them apart. We sent the plates to Jochen. He engraved it, put that movement back together again, and then we made the cases for it.
The goal of that 2016 acquisition wasn't intended to change the company as a whole and make it some traditional mass production consumer brand by changing to factory processes instead of the traditional handmade approach that Hartwig, Balke, and George Thomas became known for. It was going to be the exact same approach to watchmaking, but standardized to a point where we could make timepieces like the Martin M130 and the North Pointer and Recruit and Cadet that followed after that. Now possible to create in larger scale and actually offer to the consumer world without changing the approach that Towson Watch Company became known for during those early years.
When I say mass producing, I mean that they don't see human hands until they're being put in boxes. Here at Towson Watch Company, each watch is individually handmade. Because of this, each watch may have its own little intricacies, its own little personal flair, all while maintaining a standardization across the model reference line, but still having that personal touch.
The 2016 purchase of Towson Watch Company by Kevin Plank really turned the brand from one of America's oldest micro brands into a true independent watchmaker. It was no longer just two master watchmakers working out of their home workshop with their German counterparts across the pond. There was now a fully functioning firm employing professionals that had nothing to do with actual watchmaking. Marketing department, traveling salesmen, designers. Most importantly, the company was now surrounded by like-minded businesses that shared the same intention of bringing manufacturing back to America and defining what it means to create American art in the modern age.